afternoon. How are you?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
I'm good, thank you for asking. And what is your name?
I'm Lsego.
Lsego. Nice to meet you.
Yes.
I'm Rivka.
Nice meeting you.
So tell us, Lsego, what program are you graduating with us today?
Today I'm graduating on the higher certificate in
Yeah.
entrepreneurship,
Yeah,
which is really my passion.
quite amazing.
Yes, because I'm already practicing to be an entrepreneur.
Wow.
Yeah,
So are you currently working for a company or are you working by yourself, self-employed?
No, I started my own business with
Wow.
the skills that they taught me. I started my own business in November.
Amazing.
It's a tourism and shuttle business called Shogoe Solutions. So it's been doing great since. And
So far.
I'm enjoying this entrepreneurship journey.
That's amazing, Lsego. So tell me, what was your maybe your top highlight studying with Regent Business School? What stood out for you?
You know, when you are a business, you thought you knew everything, but once they teach you and you learn, you're
Definitely.
thinking that, there's a lot to learn out there.
Wow.
So yeah, it's just the revelations out there that
Yes.
about business, about admin,
Yes.
about finance, and just a lot.
So
that
it has
I've
quite
acquired.
benefited you.
It has. Yes.
Okay. And tell me, do you have any plans of articulating onto another program with Regent Business School?
Yes. My desire is to continue to study more.
Okay.
Maybe we have a doctorate.
Wow.
And just to
Upskill.
grow myself
Yes,
and
yes.
upskill myself, which
Wonderful.
is really
Wonderful.
a great thing.
Do you have any message to share with any future students out there?
That studying is a great thing. You might think you know everything, but I think just to study and grow yourself, and it will help you a lot, just like it has
Thank you.
helped me.
Thank you so much, Lsego,
Thank
for
you.
joining us today. And we wish you all the best in your future endeavors.
Thank you so much.
A pleasure.